When you're surrounded by panic, it is important to remember that anyone can help in the smallest of ways. My name is Marshall Nelson, and my family and I are making these protective face shields for our community. We're trying to see how best we can help our communities and to reduce of the spreading. These face shields may not fully protect you, but they can help. If we want to stop spreading the coronavirus, I think it's best to start in your community because that's the very community where we live. When we help each other through difficult times, we become stronger together. If we can survive COVID-19, we can survive anything.